Very good morning, boys. Today I'm going to give you a message because from the next week you all are going to have your final exams. Okay, so there are some 5 points that I want to mention to you. The first point is be relaxed because relaxation is very important. Okay, no matter how much you plan to study, even if you are a student who want to study on the very last moment of exam and complete all the portion in a single day, you feel like, but remember that the working memory what we have has limited capacity, because some students might be means losing their focus, losing their concentration after 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and some might be able to do till 45 minutes, 1 hour also. What you need to do is take some 10-minute power nap, you can say, or any kind of relaxation which could make your working memory relaxed. Make sure you are not using your cell phones, because cell phones again are going to use your memory itself. You can have a walk, you can eat whatever you like, you can listen to a song, you can sleep, you can just relax, you can lie down, you can do anything what you want. You can just roam about your house or on the terrace or do anything. But make sure that you are in a happy mood. You are relaxing your mind, because only then you can be able to focus next what you have to. Okay, that is very important, relaxation, because relaxation helps us again in developing creativity or concentration. The next thing is you need to have a proper diet. Whatever you are eating, please monitor for the next 6 days. It shouldn't be too oily, too much non-vegetarian, because it is going to make you drowsy. Even when you know you have to study, you may not be able to study because of the physical imbalance. You may not be, your stomach might be upset, you might feel cough, cold, fever, restlessness. Okay, many things are there. We get anxious with because of the exams also, and it should not add up because of our eating habits. So make sure for the next 6 days you have a very light diet. I would suggest you to have some fruits, some fresh fruit juices, limbu pani, anything, coconut water. This is very helpful for you, because your stomach is not full. You feel light and you feel energetic. You will feel hydrated, because you see now there is a lot of sun coming up. We feel the heat also, so you need to relax. So your diet should be very proper. Okay. The next thing is sleep. You need to sleep well in order to wake up and give your 3-hour exam. Even if your mind is awake, alert, and if your body is not well, you are not able to write the 3 hours paper. Even if you are physically fit, if your mind is absent, still you are not able to write your paper. So make sure that this mind-body combination has to go well. So you need to have a proper sleep pattern wherein you can understand the importance of having good concentration because of it. Otherwise, if you don't sleep well in anxiousness or in fear or in thinking what will happen, then the next day exam will not be good. Okay? And how we can have a mind-body better collaboration or combination is we can have some meditation cycles. You can have some breathing cycles. I'm just going to tell you one breathing cycle. This is called the box breathing technique. I've just mentioned it over here. The box says like everywhere you have to take a 5-second break, wherein the first 5 seconds will be to inhale for 5 continuous seconds. Not just continuously inhaling. You have to inhale for 5 seconds, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then hold your breath for 5 seconds, and then you have to exhale slowly again for 5 times, and then again hold your breath for 5 seconds. You need to do this for 10 times. You can do it now. You can practice it now, and I would recommend at least doing it twice a day. Okay, so this is about meditation and breathing, because this is very important. It is going to make you relax, because you cannot control what is happening in the outer world, but definitely you can control what's happening within. You can be relaxed, you can be more productive. Okay, it will be easy to concentrate. The next important thing is forget yesterday and plan about today and tomorrow, because whatever has happened yesterday we cannot change. It could be with respect to your personal life, any commitments that have not happened. Don't let this come in between in the next 6 days. And even when you give the first paper, once you submit your answer sheets to your teachers, that job, that paper is done. Make sure you are working and focusing only for the next exam, because that is not going to change your marks, anything. That is just done. We just have to focus every time on a next paper and not sit thinking about the previous day's paper. That is very important. Okay. And the last thing is visualize your positive result. No matter what you are doing, how much you are studying, anything what you do, always have a visualization about the positive result. That the result that you want, the marks you want in particular exams, anything it could be. Make sure that you are constantly thinking about the positive result that you are going to get when you get the actual progress card. These are some points that I wanted to stress upon and send you. So I guess this is going to be helping you. Please repeat the video. If you want, you can share with others, but make sure that this exam should be very relaxed, very fruitful. And I know you boys all are going to do wonderful. So I wish you all the best. Okay, thank you.